在英国伦敦的索麦社宫已经有400多年的历史啊。当地在初7的时阵发生火烧，因为内底美术馆有收梵谷，也有莫雷等等真出名的作品。当局是赶紧派100多个消防人员去拍火，加在是无人伤亡。
警察出动清楚烟雾，消防人员坐分梯车为空中喷水拍火。有数百档历史的英国伦敦索麦塞宫在当地17发生大火，原本要伫建筑空地举行的霹雳舞比赛紧急取消。
Initially, we were like, oh no, we're just coming out, it's a fire drill. And then it started becoming a bit serious, we started seeing fire trucks and stuff like that. So I think everyone was a bit like, oh no, is this still going to happen? Is it not going to happen? So yeah, it was kind of scary, but like they handled it really well.
索麦塞宫伫泰晤士河的河边，建筑的历史有477栋，捌是英国国王甲王后住的所在，政府机构加艺术中心。几百年来，捌经过几十摆扩建到暂时的规模。建筑中庭伫冬季会正做出冰场，开放予民众使用。伫建筑北边是科陶德美术馆，收藏梵谷、莫内在大师的画。伦敦消防局表示，当地17接近中昼12点，接到超过10通电话，讲索麦塞宫厝顶有火光，紧急出动差不多20台消防车，超过120名消防人员去拍火。
Thanks to the efforts of the emergency services, I'm confident that the damage is to one small part of the building. As the London Fire Brigade continue their investigations and operations, Somerset House will remain closed to the public until further notice.
索麦塞宫信托基金主任表示，起火地点伫建筑的西边，毋是收藏艺术品的美术馆，所以大细维持真安全。好在到当地暗时10点半左右，大火已经拍花，无人员伤亡，但是起火的原因该进一步调查。国际新闻台是东朋友。